Hi guys, so good morning. You can see the time is 3:40 a.m. So this is like very early in the morning. I just want to do some analysis here. Okay, so first off, this is Tesla. I want to show you why I'm going long on Tesla. So this is the daily time frame, right? But let me go to the weekly first. Before that, I'll come back a few months after this analysis and check if it plays out well in my direction or not, right? So weekly time frame, um line chart, right? If you can see very well, this is what we are having here. You can see that this trend line has been respected for quite a good amount of times, right? Look at all the rejections of the trend line. You know that okay, this is valid. So basically we are coming, price is coming back to that trend line again, so we are supposed to be expecting probably the same thing, or probably a reversal from there, a break, retest, then a continuation to the downside. But as of now, the best things to look for, or the best thing I should be expecting, is to have a sell, sorry, a buy. Sorry, is to have a buy. So first things first, I want to apologize. It's been a long time I made the YouTube video, and you know I want this busy schedule. I've been trying to find myself. I had a lot of losing streaks and a lot of losing trades that I was really down. But now I think I'm getting better, so I can now continue making videos for you guys. Right, so this is the daily time frame. Just want to expand this a little bit. Can see that price is already near that support zone. If you look, that support zone is a is a good level that I can you know that we had to mark. If you can see, look at the rejections from this side, right? Then look at when price broke above, came back to retest that level before went back up, right? And you can see the also price also broke above and retested that level again. So price has retested that level multiple times for us to know that this is a good this is a good support level, right? So that's why I had that on there. So I just want to quickly go to the 4 hour time frame. Now we are going to be looking for our entries around here. Basically you can see what the trend line has been playing. The price action has been playing smoothly in this trend line, and now we saw a breakout around here. Let me try to maximize this a little bit. Saw a breakout around here and a minor retest, right? Then I took an entry there. It's a very early trade, to be honest with you, but I don't want to be in that situation whereby I keep on waiting and I wait in vain and the trade plays out, right? So I want to play it the smart way. So what I'm going to do now is that since I've taken this trade, right, I'm just going to be waiting for more reasons for me to make another better entry, right? My risk on this one is about 250 pips on this trade. I'm targeting a 125 or even more than, because I'm targeting new highs on Tesla right now. Okay, so I'm targeting new highs on Tesla, and that is that for that. So if you look, sorry, give me a minute. Oh no. Okay, so guys, so if you look right here, you can see that this trend line has been respected multiple times, but why I have not made my main entry yet is that price hasn't come back to this trend line, the main trend line, not even the counter trend, right? It's fine and good. It's okay to believe that the counter trend has been broken out of, which to be honest it has been, right? But the counter trend isn't the best so far. Why? Because there are a lot of spikes and rejections and what have you there, right? So what I'm trying to do now is that I'm planning to make another entry if price action does something like this. Probably this is a push to the upside, then come to this minor resistance level, right? Minor resistance level, what does it do then? It probably comes back down here, giving us a good retest. I'll be looking for my entry around that place, right? So it makes sense for me to take this trade this way, right? Or probably for a even better trade, we wait for something like around here. That is a better place to take the trade. Or probably price action might just be ranging until it gets to this place. That is not what I want, right? I love a moving market, so that's basically what I want to be looking forward to. This is what I am looking forward to on Tesla right now. So basically, I don't want to go to the lower time frame 1 hour and all of that, right? Because that's mainly for just like, I don't know how to put it, but if I'm going to those time frame, I'm just going there for more like I'm going there to show you more in-depth analysis, right? In-depth analysis, and that's not what I'm going to do here. This is more like a swing trade. So if you think you have the patience to wait, why risking 250 pips on Tesla with a 1 to 5 risk to reward? Then my friend, hop in. Or if you feel like you want to wait for a better price action or a better entry price around here with a sorry with a 150 pip stop loss, you can wait to get your entry around here. I would not advise using pending orders on this one because it is not a guaranteed trade, right? There are some trades that are more high probability than others, right? This trade makes a whole lot of sense, I agree with you, but is this something I'll place a pending order? Not really, right? Because the way it looks, I feel like there might be a little manipulation, or no, probably those huge spikes to the downside, right? Just to clear that trend line before price action start moving upwards. So this is what I have for Tesla right now. I'm looking for buys. I already taken one buys. I'm looking for more buys on Tesla for the next 3 to 6 months, probably if price action is slow, but if price action is fast, about 1 or 3 months, right? That's what I'll be looking for. That's what I'll be looking forward on Tesla, right? I just want to do two, right? Just Tesla and NVIDIA, NVIDIA Corporation. It has good momentum for a very long time, but now it's ranging. You see, right? It's ranging. So what I want to do on NVIDIA right now, I just think that the best way to trade NVIDIA is to just wait. What am I waiting for? And I'll show you now. I am waiting for reasons to keep on buying NVIDIA, and I will not want to buy at I don't want to buy at the high, right? I want to buy at the low. I want to buy low and sell high. That's basically the basics of trading, right? Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. That is what I want to do here. So probably I'll be waiting for a pullback around this level to take my buys, or around this level to take my buys. This level makes more sense to take buys, to be honest. So I just want to do like this. Come here. You can see that we had an uptrend inside another uptrend. So if I go to the, let's say I'm going to the 4 hour time frame, just candlestick charts, you can see basically price has broken out of our trend inside our trend, right? But this is not the main trend that I want to be looking to take an entry from. So right now I'll just be waiting on this one, right? The best way to take this trade, or to take a trade, because there's no trade currently, the best way to take a trade on NVIDIA, I'm looking for possibilities, for bearish possibilities, right? For price action to come to either this level or this level for me to start taking buys on NVIDIA. But that doesn't mean I cannot take shorts or sells on NVIDIA too. So I can just go to 4 hour time frame like this. Also the 1 hour time frame here. Just zoom out a little bit again. Line charts for more accuracy, of course. So I want to say something that a lot of traders are getting wrong. A lot of traders are getting wrong. Because I trade trend lines, right? Doesn't mean that if you trend lines and support and resistance doesn't mean that if you trade, your whatever you trade with, let me give you an instance. Other blocks, SMC, ICT, and all those concepts, it doesn't mean that you are not going to make money from the market. I don't know why people are always arguing. There are always, fights and argument and insult and quarrel about whose strategy is the best. To be honest, I think the best strategy is the one that works for you. That is the best strategy. The best strategy is the one that works for you. It's not Mr. A's strategy or Mr. B's strategy. You might have a strategy and you might not be making money from it, and you learn probably something different, and you just start to be killing it in a few months of backtesting the data and all of that, right? So basically what works for you is basically what you should be doing. So that is that on that, right? If you want to take NVIDIA shots, a very very risky short opportunity on NVIDIA, you should be looking to take it after when price action comes to this area. Then probably there will be a breakout, a minor retest. That's not the one you want to take, right? Then a continuation to this downside. But the best place to take NVIDIA short should be around here. In fact, you should even be placing your pending orders like right now. But this trade is not something that is almost there yet, so I think you just pause on the pending orders for now until that comes, right? I'm going to be documenting this for 6 months. If it works out, fine. If it doesn't, on to the next. You also have to understand that not every trade you take is gonna make you money, right? A lot of traders that can take 10 trades and 6 of them might be losers, and they might still be profitable, right? And a lot of traders, they might take 10 trades and like 3 of them are just going to be losers. They are going to have like 7 profitable trades, but it doesn't mean that they are not making money. Okay, I don't know. People are complicating the whole trading thing too much, and I don't really like it. I just feel like do whatever works for you, man. Do whatever works for you. If Shenline works for you, fine. If ICT works for you, fine. SMC works for you, fine. I don't know. If flipping works for you, man. Flipping is I will not say I recommend it, right? But if it works for you, fine. There's no need to be arguing and doing all doing all of those, right? Anything that works for you, just do it. Right now, this is what I'm looking on in NVIDIA right now. This is the best way for me to trade NVIDIA currently. Just going to be looking for short position. I'm expecting the short to come to this area, but I don't want to waste too much time holding those shorts. The best time to short is around this time I'm holding here, so that should be the best time. You should be looking for shorting opportunities on NVIDIA, right? So I've done NVIDIA and Tesla today. Tomorrow I probably might do another one, but right now I'll be uploading this. Thank you very much for coming to the end of this video. I really appreciate, man. Like there's no one watching my videos right now, but I believe that I'm gonna have a few viewers are gonna stay, not the ones that are gonna come and go, right? This is that is that for that, man. That's that for that. So this is this is NVIDIA, this is Tesla, and thank you very much, and probably I'll see you next time. So that's that for that.